Kiwi Birds, Amazing Animals series, written and illustrated by Travis Schaefer. There are many amazing animals in the world. A kiwi bird is an amazing animal. A kiwi is a bird. Kiwi birds live in New Zealand. Kiwi birds are very different than other birds. Kiwi birds are about the size of a chicken. But kiwi birds will lay an egg that is 6 times larger than a chicken egg. Kiwi birds cannot fly. Instead, they have strong legs they use to dig into the ground. Kiwi birds live underground during the day and come out of the ground at night. Most birds hunt for food by using their sight, but kiwi birds are blind. Kiwi birds must hunt for food by smell. Kiwi birds are the only bird that have nostrils at the end of their beak. The kiwi has the strongest sense of smell of any bird. Kiwi birds also have a strong sense of sound and touch. They have long whiskers like a cat. They use their whiskers to feel and move in the dark. Kiwi birds are different from other birds. Their differences make them one of the most unique birds in the world. A kiwi bird is an amazing animal. The